I really thought I was doing everything right, but these budgeting mistakes, yeah, they humbled me. Hi friends, I'm Hannah from Bait and Budget. I share calm, simple ways to save, and today I'm sharing some of my biggest budgeting fails because I want you to learn from what I wish I'd done differently. Mistake number 1, overstuffing savings without a plan. I was obsessed with savings challenges. I'd put $100 into a cute envelope and then I'd have to pull it all back out just to cover groceries. Now, I always make sure my bills and basics are fully funded first. Then I can enjoy savings challenges without the stress. Mistake number 2, forgetting to track subscriptions. Spotify, Canva, Apple, they'd all hit me at once and boom, my cushion was gone. I created envelopes for each subscription and I'd stuff them every paycheck. They're cute and they save me money more than the challenge envelope has. Mistake number 3, copying someone else's budget setup. I saw a creator with 15 envelopes and thought, hey, I need all of those. But her life isn't mine. All those 15 envelopes in one binder just doesn't cut it for me. Now, I only use the categories I actually spend money on. Budgeting isn't cosplay, it's personal. Mistake number 4, not giving myself any fun money. I felt guilty spending on anything, so I'd end up stress shopping at Target with my debit card. Now I budget a little into my vacation, a little into my personal envelope. No guilt, it's my release valve, and it helps me stay on track. Mistake number 5, thinking small amounts didn't matter. I'd roll my eyes at saving $5. I'd couple of bills, $1 bills here and there, what's the point? But those $1 bills built the habit that I needed. If you've made any of these mistakes too, I want you to hear this. You're not bad at budgeting. You're learning, like I am, like we all are. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about small adjustments and forgiving yourself when things don't go right. What is your biggest budgeting fail? Comment below and share it. Let's normalize being imperfect with money. And if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe. I'd love to have you along on the journey.